Until recently, the idea of listening to digital music stored on a hard drive or streamed from the internet was almost sacrilegious to hi-fi enthusiasts. But times change. A new breed of digital player has evolved, and some of them, such as this, named state-of-the-art NDX streaming network player, and also the multi-talented HDX hard disk player, prove that digital music really can exist in the audiophile domain. First, let's take a look at the NDX. This versatile digital streamer uses the networking protocol UPnP, that's Universal Plug and Play, to let you access and play audio files from a wide range of digital sources, including network-attached storage drives and shared folders on a PC. The NDX is purely a streamer, so there's no onboard storage or amplification. It's designed to form part of a larger separate system in much the same way as a CD player or tuner. For best sound quality, NAME recommends you connect the NDX to your home network using an Ethernet cable, although Wi-Fi connectivity is provided for added convenience. You can also take your pick from thousands of internet radio stations, including NAME's Choice, a list of all NAME's favourite stations, and that includes an exclusive high-res stream from California's Radio Paradise. And just in case you want even more choice, an optional DAB and FM tuner module is available. There's also a USB socket on the front panel for playback of USB stored audio and Apple devices. And as the NDX is Apple authenticated, it can bypass the connected iPod or iPhone's internal DAC for optimized performance. As you'd expect from such a high-end digital streamer as the NDX, it will play just about any digital audio format, including WAV, FLAC, AIF, OGG-Vorbis, WMA, AAC, and of course MP3, as well as high-resolution audio files. And if you're playing from an Apple device, it will play Apple lossless files, plus it supports gapless playback, and it will also recognize M3U and PLS playlists. Control of the NDX is equally flexible. You can use the intuitive fascia buttons and display, the remote control, or you can download NAME's smart nStream app and use an iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. The NDX has all the digital bases covered. It's a real next-generation player delivering true audiophile quality and the perfect way to bring your system into the digital age. Of course, a digital streamer won't be for everyone. You may want the ability to store your music within the hi-fi system itself and to have CD ripping and playback functionality. If that sounds more your thing, then NAME's HDX could be ideal. The HDX combines a 1 terabyte hard drive with a CD player that benefits from all the brand's disc spinning know-how. It allows you to rip, store, catalogue and play your music in superb quality. But there's a lot more to it than making quick copies of your albums. The HDX uses NAME's own custom-designed ripping engine and reads each disc multiple times to create absolutely perfect bit-for-bit digital versions of your CDs. Thanks to NAME's advanced algorithms, they sound just as good, if not better, than the originals. For maximum quality, the rips are stored as uncompressed WAV files, and they include full metadata such as track and artist information. They're also catalogued using the NAME Extended Music Database, which allows you to manage and search your music library in far greater detail than the likes of iTunes, for example. The HDX's hard drive offers enough storage for up to around 1,200 uncompressed albums and is easy to add extra storage, with ripping direct to an external drive connected via Ethernet. If you already have your digital music library stored safely elsewhere, then it's worth knowing that the HDX is available in an SSD variant, which does without the internal storage but is otherwise identical. Both versions support all the major digital file formats as well as several of the rarer ones for playback from network-attached storage and devices such as your PC. The HDX is also equipped with a NAME-written UPnP server, enabling it to stream over a network to UPnP players elsewhere around the home, becoming the heart of an audiophile quality multi-room system. Naturally, the HDX delivers incredible sound quality, full of warmth and detail, and is simple and flexible to control. Choose between the full-color touchscreen display, the included remote, desktop client or browser interface on a PC or Mac, or you can download the nServe app for your Apple device. Together, the NDX and HDX represent the absolute cutting edge of digital hi-fi. But for true audio aficionados, NAME offers several ways to improve performance even further. Firstly, adding a separate power supply to your system will improve the timing, clarity and dynamics of your music. The XPS and 555PS models are ideally matched to the NDX and HDX, as well as other separate sources such as CD players. Or consider adding Name's market-leading DAC, which eliminates any SP, diff, jitter and digital noise to deliver the cleanest, most accurate sound possible. It's an ideal upgrade not only for the NDX, HDX and SP diff equipped CD players, but also for other digital sources such as gaming consoles, satellite TV receivers and Apple devices. Connect an iPod or iPhone to Name's DAC and it will bypass your portable player's sound circuitry and transport your music to the audiophile domain. Clearly, through Name's NDX, HDX and DAC, it's now possible to enjoy true high-fidelity sound and the choice and convenience that inspired the digital revolution. There's no compromise, no fuss, just superb sound quality. So even if you're a dyed-in-the-wool hi-fi enthusiast with a listening room lined with CDs and vinyl, it's time to believe in the power of evolution.